Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I'm Sana Khalid, your English teacher from AMBLEM School System. So let's get started with our today's lesson. Today we are going to discuss the difference between present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. But first of all, we need to understand that what present perfect tense is. So, present perfect tense describes the activity that completed in the immediate past. For example, I have finished my homework. I have finished my food. Now, coming towards the basic rules of present perfect tense. Rule number 1. Use of has or have plus past participle or third form of verb. Rule number 2. Use of has with singulars and use of have with I, you and other plurals. For example, I have walked the dog. She has driven a car. Now coming towards present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense describes the activity that started in the past but have continued in the present. For example, it has been snowing since Friday. I have been working a lot lately. So you see, both these works started in the past but are still continued in the present. Now, basic rule of present perfect continuous tense. We use has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. For example, I have been working all night. You have been listening to the radio for past hour. Now let's compare present perfect tense with present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect tense, has or have is used plus past participle is also used. For example, I have walked the dog. Whereas in present perfect continuous tense, has or have plus been plus verb plus ing is used. I have been walking the dog. She has been driving my car. Present perfect tense describes a thing or any activity that started in the past and completed in the immediate past. For example, I have broken my leg. I have talked to him. Whereas in present perfect continuous tense, an activity started in the past and continued into the present. For example, I have been talking to him. Also in present perfect continuous tense, we talk about the things that are really annoying. For example, he has been shouting at me for over half an hour. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.